Okay, so I went to Target and I got the goods. Hello. Okay, so I went to Target and I got the goods. Okay, I went because what? Tabitha Brown dropped like a grocery little line and stuff. So I'm like, I want to go try some stuff. And just an FYI, I did not buy everything. Mama ain't got the coins to do all that right now. But I did get a few things that was like intriguing to me. And if majority of this stuff is really good, then I will be back and I will go get more stuff and we can try it. Okay, but I'm going to show you what I have. A few things I have to, like, one thing I have to heat up, and then the other one is like a spread. So I got the vegan roasted garlic parmesan popcorn. Now this sounds so good and I'm excited. Okay, I'm super excited. And then I got the vegan sweet and salty, which kind of reminds me of like the kettle corn in a sense. Like when you hear it, it's like, how sweet is it? I like a good sweet popcorn. Okay. And then I did, and I gotta make, hold on. Okay, this. It is the organic elderberry, and it's an immunity tea. So it's to support your immune health, okay? Then I got the vegan strawberry cream cheese spread. Okay, so I'm very excited about these things. And then I got vegan chickpea chili. Now, baby, woo! Now, I've had vegan chili before, okay? Because I made vegan chili before. And what I did was I got some, I think the brand is called Quan, I believe. And they have like the mushroom crumbles. And I made me a nice chili with, you know, the onions, the beans, and all the goodness. And it was delicious. And so I've had vegan chili before. But chickpeas, never. I don't really fuck with chickpeas like that. You know what I'm saying? Like because I tried it once and it was like, maybe I didn't make it right. It just was weird. Then I got this. Very good. Very good. I'm excited. I like getting new stuff. Yeah, I like getting new things. And then I got a mug. Stay focused. Stay focused, y'all. I'm like, that's what I need. I need to stay focused for sure. So I'm going to try some of these out in front of you, and I'm gonna let you know how I feel about them. So definitely super excited to try this stuff. And why am I in the car, you ask? Because it needs to be done in the car. You know, they just doing the most in the house. So I went in, I made the stuff that I needed to like heat up and all that jazz. But first things first, before it gets cold. So I got the the vegan chickpea chili, right? And when I first opened it, it smelled so freaking great, right? And it smells like taco-y. It smells amazing. And so I went and I heated it up, because you can heat it up over the stove or in the microwave. And so, see, this is what I got. So I'm gonna try it. Oh wow. This is really good. Really, really good. Okay, it's seasoned really well. Really freaking well. It's gonna be my dinner tonight. Definitely gonna be my dinner tonight. Okay. It's really good. Really freaking good. And I'll tell you, I'll probably do like a little voiceover, because I put the container in the refrigerator. So don't mind me. Okay. Now the next is the elderberry tea. It's for immunity, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And also, along with getting the tea, I got the mug too. I got a mug. She has several of them, and it says "Stay focused," and I absolutely love it. Okay, absolutely love it. So I might be taking this to work with me. I don't know, but all I did was I put it in water, steeped it, and all I did was put a little honey in it, and it's still hot. Hot. I don't want y'all to see me burn myself, but if it is what it is. Oh wow, it's good. It gives me, like, with a lot of other, the elderberry is very strong. Even with just the hint of honey. I didn't put that much honey in it at all, because I wanted to get as much of the flavor from the actual tea itself, and it's really good. I like it a lot. Okay. Now I also got vegan roasted garlic Parmesan popcorn. Go ahead, open it. It's very subtle. It's very, very subtle. It's subtle, but then the aftertaste, it hits you. Ooh, that garlic. Okay, never mind. Okay, yes. Okay, maybe the top pieces wasn't coated. Oh, this is about to be my favorite. This is really good. This is gonna be my snack for the night after I eat my dinner. Okay, vegan sweet and salty organic. Okay, all of it's organic. And when I think of this, like when I saw it, my first thought was like, oh, kettle corn, This is different. Can't lose one. This is a different type of sweet. Oh. This is a different type of sugar. Because usually, I can't put my finger on it. It's a different type of sugar. I can't put my finger on it, but it's good. This is gonna be my. Oh. Hold on, y'all. I can't put my finger on it. Hold on, what is it? What is it? It has raw cane sugar, Himalayan salt, high. I don't know what that is. Oleic. I've never seen that word a day in my life. Sunflower oil. It's all organic. I wonder if it's the Himalayan salt that I'm tasting. But it's sweet. It's not like the salty part, it's the sweet part. Whatever this combination is good. Okay. Last but not least of the food items anyway. Cause I did get a spatula. I did get the spatula. It's cute. Very good. Very, very good. Right? Okay. Also, myself did not, and I thought about it, but then forgot about it. Did not get a bagel. Okay? I know. It's like, girl, how you gonna get cream cheese and no bagel? You're absolutely right. I thought I had some bread here at the house, but you know, kids devouring all types of stuff. So I'm gonna use a fluffy tortilla. Okay, I'm gonna get a tortilla, and I'm just gonna I just want to try it because I do like for one. And let me just say this too. All the things that I've tried smells freaking amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna thick. Okay, thick. So got some, and this is the vegan strawberry cream cheese style spread. Okay, it's good. It's fucking delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna have to get some bagels, because even on the tortilla, and it's just a basic tortilla, because even it's good. I'm thoroughly impressed. Now, I spent $30 and some change on all of this, which is considering the economy. It's not that bad. I'm trying to remember the prices of the things that I got. If I don't find the receipt, then I'll just, if I find it, I'll put the prices. But you can also go on Target's website and the prices are on there as well. But I'm pleasantly surprised, because I'm not a vegan. I'm not a vegan at all, but I do have like vegan staples that I do eat on a regular basis. So I'm not opposed to anything vegan. I've had vegan chili before, and I made that myself, and it was fire, straight fire. But that is really good. So, because I've never really messed with chickpeas like that, but I like it. So that is my review. All in all, I think it's a really good collection. And now I want to go try some of the other spreads that they have, and they also had like some vegan meat. I'm not big on the vegan like beef alternatives, but I will fuck up some vegan chicken alternatives, because some of them chicken alternatives fire delicious. Okay, so but now I want to go try it. They also have a ravioli, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do a part 2. Yay, a part 2, and I'm gonna get the ravioli. I will get one of the packs of meat. I'm not gonna get all of them, okay, because I don't want to get a whole bunch of stuff, and then I just have stuff sitting in my house, because my kids ain't gonna eat it, okay? And so my daughter might try it, but for the most part, they're probably, if it ain't nothing sweet, like, they gonna eat the popcorn. They're gonna eat the popcorn, and they're gonna probably go ahead and eat the strawberry spread once I get some bagels. And they'll drink the tea. But all the other stuff, they might depend. So, but she has a lot of things, a lot of options for you, and a lot of different tea varieties, which I might go back and get all of them, because this is really good, even without having a whole bunch of sugar or having a whole bunch of it's hot, y'all. It's hot, but it's good. It's so good. Like it tastes so fresh. And the chili, I'm eating that tonight. That's gonna be my dinner. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna put with it. But I have my tea, and you know, that is the tea. But all in all, I like it. I like everything that I've tried. I think I like between the popcorn, they did have another popcorn, and it was like a lime, and I'm not really big on lime stuff, flavored stuff. But I'm gonna get it because I want to try it. So that will be in my part 2. So I'm gonna get a few more things. I'm not gonna get everything, okay? Because my pockets, they just, you know, they're not, you know. But I'm happy with what I have. I'm gonna go grab some more stuff sometime this week, and then I'll do a part 2 with some other stuff that they have, and we kind of go about that because I thoroughly enjoyed all of these. Okay, the popcorn is probably gonna be gone by tomorrow night. It's gonna be gone. Okay, and once I get some bagels, the cream cheese is gonna be gone by the end of the week. Yeah, probably before the middle of the week. And then the chili, definitely gonna, half of that's gone tonight because I'm eating half the thing. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you know, at least go and try something, even if it's just the popcorn or just the spread. And I think they have like some other spreads, like an aioli type spread or something like that. And she had a lot of cute like kitchenware, like this. I have the spatula, like the Very Good, and then she has some other spatulas, and she has some oven mitts and just bowls and plates and just like really cute decor. Very, very bright, very vibrant, and the packaging so on brand. Like, it's so adorable, it's so cute, you know. It's mirroring the Target, like of what Target already, like their branding in a way, but with her own bubbly, bright personality added to it, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna definitely try more stuff. You know, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment which one look better, which stuff look good to you that you would go and actually try. Okay, let your girl know down in the comments. Make sure you share, make sure you like, and all of the good things. And I will talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all in part 2. Bye.